Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Wendover, a small town that is very similar to Las Vegas of all days. Wide open place with casinos and hotels. But before that, let me show you how we got here. The western portion of Utah is a unique area. It is mostly like a desert, dirt, rough roads, sagebrush, unique landscapes, and scenic views. Every time we cruise the West Utah desert, we feel like we are indeed in the middle of nowhere. I always have fun exploring and going for a ride in Utah Western Desert. Today, we decided a scenic drive along I-80 West from Salt Lake to see the small town called Wendover in Nevada. This section of interstates doesn't have much to see. It's mostly empty lands in all directions. About 25 miles east of Wendover, we saw this 87-foot-tall concrete tree. It is the metaphor, the tree of Utah, also called the tree of life. The tree was created in the early 1980s by European artist Carl Moman, and it was dedicated in 1986. On the road, you can also be able to see the Bonneville Salt Flats. It is about 1.5 hours drive west from Salt Lake City. It is one of the most unique natural features in Utah. This is a densely packed salt pan covering over 30,000 acres, the largest of many salt flats located west of the Great Salt Lake. Instant you cross over in Nevada, you find this little town called Wendover. This is very little to see here. It is basically a small town that is very similar to Las Vegas of old days. They have casinos, hotels, gas stations, and fast food chains. The town is right on the border where the line between Utah and Nevada. It's right here. As you ride through the town of Wendover, you will find Wendover Wheel at the end of the strip, a 63-foot tall neon cowboy that greets visitors. We drove around and looked for a restaurant and then back to Salt Lake City. If you are on the trip west on I-80 West, make sure you stop in Wendover and see around this small area. What do you think of West Wendover? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!